Yeah, I'm a big fan of Linde. So this is one of those industrial gas giants, merged with Praxair in 2018, late 2018, I believe. So it created just a real dominant company. And Linde already does a multi-billion-dollar hydrogen business today, right? So this is a company that understands the technology, that understands the applications, that understands like the infrastructure stuff we're talking about, right? So all of those things really, really matter. So this is a bit of a leader in blue hydrogen in terms of bringing it to scale. So again, this is taking natural gas, steam reformer, and then carbon capture, right? To keep the carbon emissions from getting into the atmosphere. So they're a real leader there. They understand the economics, right? So I think that really, really matters. The other thing is that this is a company that has consistently generated wonderful, wonderful returns. It has scale. And the way that it operates, I think, is really compelling. It actually answers a couple of the questions folks were kind of asking about: when is the infrastructure going to go out, and thinking about for transportation. In a lot of ways, companies like Linde are kind of built to be winners there, because the way Linde operates is Linde has a customer, an industrial customer, a manufacturer, healthcare organization, whatever. They sign a long-term contract and they have a manufacturing facility that's adjacent to their customer that's producing these gas. And then there's the pipes that Travis was talking about, right? And that customer takes 80%, 90% of the capacity for their manufacturing. And then what do? They go to every other potential industrial user within driving distance of that facility, and they sell the excess capacity at higher margins, right? So it is a perfectly structured business to take green hydrogen and leverage that model and push it out for distribution externally, right? Where all of a sudden now, if you're Coca-Cola, maybe you work with Linde as your fuel supplier, right? So I think those are really, really powerful things that are built in. And Nick was talking about it earlier. This is a company that knows how to make money. I think it's paid a dividend and grown it 29 years in a row. It's a dividend aristocrat. I think it's very, very compelling. And you don't have to take on the risk of, say, a Plug Power that's doing a million things that look really exciting, but all of the company's ever really meaningfully done in its existence is tell great stories, raise capital, and then incinerate that capital and not generate a return on that capital.